Good morning. We start now fourth exercise. Exercise 1.4. Okay, this is video number 9. What is there in exercise 1.4? Only two questions are there. First question: visualize 3.765 on the number line using the successive magnification. Yes. So please see how we do this sum. Actually, suppose it is said represent 4 on the number line. So easily you can represent it. This is number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. Finished. Where 4 comes here, we can represent it easily. Represent it is said minus 3.5 on the number line. So how you represent it? 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Where minus 3.5 comes? Here minus 3.5 comes. No? Between minus 3 and minus 4, minus 3.4. So you can say that this is minus 3.5. 4 you can represent easily. Minus 3.5 you can represent easily. But see, this is 3.765. After decimal, 3 places are there. So we can't represent exactly. If we do directly, no, we can't represent it. Where is that 3.765 will come, This is 3, this is 4. It will come between 3 and 4 somewhere, right? Here it will come. Between 3 and 4, what will come? 3.765. But same thing it is said to represent exactly. Visualize that on the number line using successive magnification. So see, one method is given. I just show you. I show you. This is a system. Using magnifier is there, you see. Using successive magnification. So how we explain the answer? This is a method that which we are going to do now. Please see. Please. So understand the method. What is said? Visualize this, means represent this on the number line using successive magnification. Yes. So we start. X is equal to 3.765. This is the number. This is given. We have to represent this. So please see. We use scale and we take 4 steps. I tell you. Why? So, to explain this answer, we take 4 steps. After decimal, if 3 numbers are there, you take 4 steps. And on each line, you mark 11 points. You can use normal scale. Using your scale, how many points you have to mark? 1 centimeter. Okay, with 1 centimeter. Suppose that this is, I start from here. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many points you have to mark? 11 points. Yeah, don't write. See, you can use that scale, 1 centimeter, normal scale. So I am using here big scale, but you can use normal scale in which 1 centimeter is there, you see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You take 11 points. Remember that. How many points you have to take? Take 11 points on each line. Each line you take 11 points. Remember that. Don't forget. Why? The reason I will tell you. Why to take 11 points. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. 4 lines. After decimal, if 3 points are there, take 4 steps. How many steps? You remember this. Take 4 steps. Yes. This is step 1. This is step 2. This is step 3. This is step 4. So you have to take 4 steps. Right? So how many points you have taken, please, here? 11 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, on each line you have to take, no? Now use this system. Now you make like this. See, 1. Yes. Now to mark on the other lines, use this way. Use this way. You go this way. It will not take time. You can make the marking fastly. Yes. First you have to do this work. Yes. Clear? Because this is 4-mark question, otherwise 3-mark question. That's why on each line, step 1, step 2, step 3, 4 steps. Because after decimal 3 points, so 4 steps. Yes, I have taken. Each line is a number line. So first you take like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. You take some points. Don't mark everything. You just mark what? Number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Whatever possible you write. Finished. Now you should decide. Please see. You should decide that where this 3.765 lies. This lies between what? 3 and 4. See, where 3.765 will be? 3.765 will be where? Between 3 and 4. So you mark like this. You just make it dark. You just make this dark. Yes. That area you make dark. As I am doing. Or you use color pencil to just highlight that. Because this 3.765 is between 3 and 4. So highlight this area. If it is 2 point, between 2 and 3 you highlight. Because 3.765 is lying between this and this. Finished? Now take 3 here, take 3 here and take 4 here. Following? Yeah. Take this 4 here and take this 4 here. You can mark also like this. Here you write 3, here you write 4. Got it? Second, you see the steps. Step 1, step 2. We have to get 3.765 using successive magnification. Step by step, successive. Yeah. I have taken 3 here, 4 here. Got? Now, this will be 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. After 3.9, what will be there? 4. After 3.9, 4 will be there. Got it? So, why you have taken 11 points? Why 11 points? Because between 3 and 4 exactly 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, then 4. Got it? Yes. Now you see where is 3.7? Here is 3.7. So now you highlight this area. Yes. Highlight this area. 3.7 and 3.8, because here 3.7 is there, no? 3.7 and 3. That you highlight it. Or just make it dark. That area. Or use color pencil. Okay. Now take 3.7 here. Take 3.8 here. Following? 3.7 here, 3.8 here. You know actually 4.5 is what? 4.50. You can add 0 with that. You can add 1 0. You can add 2 0. No matter. So 3.7, no, I can add 0 here. I can add 0 here. It becomes 3.70, 3.80. What I need? I need 3.76. Okay. 3.70, 70, 72. Sorry, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 3.76, 3.77. Agree? No doubt? 3.7. See, after 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. 76 is there. You take 76, 77. That's all. Highlight this. Again highlight this. Got? Now you write 3.76 here. Yes, please highlight this area. 3.76 here. 3.77 here. Yes. 3.77, 3.76. This number we write here. This number we write here. Got? After that, you know, you can add 0. You can add 0. 760, we want 765. Where is 765? 760, 761, 762, 63, 64, 65. See, you got now 3.765 is here. Where is this 3.765? Here. X. That is the answer. Hence, x is equal to 3.765 on number line. Yes. So it has 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So any question, you can try this like this. I am giving practice questions here. Okay? Practice questions. Visualize 2.578 on number line using successive magnification. One more, 3.546, okay, on number line. Yes. So same way you can try these 2 questions. Now please, that is just for practice. Now question number 1 finished. Now question number 2. So we have only 2 questions. This exercise, question 2. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line. On the number line up to 4 decimal places. Up to 4 decimal places. Yes. Now I am doing one more question. If any doubt, you can clear it in this question. Okay? Please see. This is slightly different, this question, because here it is given bar, 4.26 bar, and it is said that visualize this on the number line up to 4 decimal places using successive magnification. Okay, you know 26 bar means what? 26, 26, 26, 26, 26. It is 26, 26, 26, 26 like that. Now, but we need up to 4 decimal places. 4. So, I should take only 4 places. That's all. But one thing you should know. Please see. If it is 3.757575, you understand this? I want to take 4 places. I want to take 4 places, right? So what is the system, you know? If 4 places you are taking, if the 5th place is 5 or more than 5, then what you have to do? If this 5th number is, you are taking 4 numbers after decimal, so we have to round it up. 75, 75, no? So we can't write 75, 75. We should write 75, 76. One number you should increase. When please? If this 5th number is, if this is 5 or more than 5, then you increase here. So here you check. 2626. Is the 5th number more than 5? Is the 5th number more than 5 or 5? No. So you take 4.2626. Suppose if here 8 is there, then what you should write, you know? 26, 26, no, 26, 27. Understand? 26, 26, you can't write 26, 27 if this number is 5 or more than 5. Okay? Now please. 4.26, 26, 26, 26. Yeah, I need 4 places, no? Is the 5th place 5 or more than 5? No. Less than 5, no problem. Then you write as it is. 26, 27. 26, 26. Yeah, I have to start now. Answer. 4.2626. I have to represent 4.2626 on the number line. After decimal, how many points are there? After decimal, how many places are there? There are 4 places. If there are 4 places, no, so we take 5 steps. Please see. If it is like this, after decimal, if 3 points you take how many steps? 3 points means 4 steps. After decimal 4 points, so how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. So you take 5 steps. Yes. Now I should take 5 steps. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. We take 5 steps. Got? And each step you should take how many points? Mark how many points? Yes. See, each line we have to mark how many points? 11 points. Don't forget. Taking 11 points. Okay? How that plays? We use, see, from your scale, this is 1 centimeter. Yeah, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From your scale you can take 1 centimeter gap will be there on your normal scale. So you take that. Now here, now you take like this. Yeah, now take like this. Let's increase this. Now please, Now marking 11 points. So this way, along with this, 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So each line, how many you have to take? 11. First you make this framework. This framework you have to do first. After decimal 4 places. So 5 steps. I wrote here, we take 5 steps. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2. This is number line. Yeah, now 5 also I take. Okay. Where is 4.2 lies? 4.2 lies between what? Between 4 and 5. Where 4.2 lies? Between 4 and 5. So you highlight this. Yes, you highlight this between 4 and 5. Understood? Now you take 4 here, 4 here, 5 here. Yes. This is 4, this is 5. See here 4, here 5. Now 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. After 4.95. Now what is 4.2? Where is 4.2? Here. 4.2 and 4.3. So you highlight this. Yes. Got? Just make this dark. 4.3. Now here you take 4.3. Sorry. Here you take 4.2. Here. 4.2. And here you take last 4.3. Got it? Add 0. Yes, add 0. After 20, 21, 22. We need 26. So don't write all. Don't write all. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We just write that. 26 is there, we write 26, 27. We highlight this. Got? System you are understanding. Now you take here 4.26 and here 4.27. Yes, this is 4.26, this is 4.27. Add 0, add 0. 260. I need what? 262. 262. So after 260, 261, 262, 263. We don't want the other numbers to mark. Okay. Now highlight this. Highlight this. Clear? Now 4.262 here. Yes, 4.262 here. 4.263 here. Yes, mark this. This you mark and this you mark this. Okay. See, add 0. Add 0. Which number now? 26, 26. 26, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This is 4.2626. This is your answer. This is your X. Finished. Final answer is here. You got 4.2626. So this is the way to explain. How many steps we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because after decimal 4 places. 4 places means 5 steps. 3 places, 4 steps. Okay. So this exercise completed. I will add one more question for practice. 2. Yes, 2.84 bar up to 4 decimal. Yes. So what you do in this question, you know, for 2.84, no? 84, 84, 84. So you should take 4 places. So 84, 85. Because see, after 4 places, yeah, after 4 places, 2.84 bar, no? 84, 84, 84. I need 4 places. But the fifth number is more than 5. So 84, 85 we should write. Now represent this. This is a method. Got it? Yes, please. So these 3 questions for practice. Now, this 1.4 completed. Now what is there in 1.5 and 1.6? Last 2 exercises left. Yes. Please see. Now new exercise we have to start 1.5. What is there? I just give the idea today in this video. Next video we try to finish. Operations on real numbers. Yes. Operations on real numbers. You should know the basic facts. Please see. See, suppose I have to add this. Root 3 plus root 5. I am just showing some basic facts. Root 3 plus root 5, you know, we cannot add them. You can't say it is root 8. Root 3 plus root 5, you can't say root 8. It is wrong. Root 3 plus root 5, these are not like terms. Not like terms. So, can't be added. Can't be added or subtracted. You can't add them or subtract them if these are not like terms. So root 3 plus root 5, root 8, no. Okay. One more thing. Yeah, but you know, root 3 into root 5, you can multiply them because this is a basic rule, you see. Root A into root B, you can write whole root A into B. This is a basic rule. You can multiply them. If these are same orders, root is same, no? So you can take whole root A into B. So what is root 3 into root 5? Root 3 into 5. 15. This is okay. This is no, wrong. Okay. Now for example, 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2. We can add them. Why? Because this is just like this. 5x plus 3x. What is 5x plus 3x? 8x. So 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2, 8 root 2, because it is same. But see if it is like this, 5 root 2 plus 3 root 3, can you add them? No, we can't add. Okay, we can't add. Reason you understand? Because not like terms. These are not like terms. These basic things. Please see. 3 root 7 minus 5 root 2. What? Nothing. We can't subtract them. These are not like terms. Okay. If it is like this, 3 root 7 minus 5 root 7. This is possible. Because root 7 is same. So what is 3 minus 5? Minus 2 root 7. Okay. 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2. Is it possible, please? No, can't be. Can't be added. Okay. Why? Because see, 40 is 5x plus 3y. Can you add them? No, we can't add them. Okay. That's why. So these are the basic things. So next class we continue. We have operations on real numbers. So all these are operations. Okay. So we stop today. Next video.